Blazer demo part 2. Hi and welcome back to our demo. I was going to emboss something with the Blazer, but I realized that a lot of you may be blind and you will not be able to see what's going on. So what we're going to do in this part of the demo is go through the service menu with you. If you need some instructions on embossing, I will give you those once we go through the service menu. So let's go into menu mode by pressing all three buttons, online, form feed, and line feed. And we'll press line feed 5 times to get to service menu. And press form feed. Now the first option we have is serial number. I don't want to give away the serial number in this video, so we'll go down the menu. But in order to hear the serial number, you can just press the form feed button. Now this is a good option. Characters printed. I'm going to press form feed and let you hear what the Blazer says, and this tells you the number of characters or letters that were printed on the embosser. Press line feed. That is the release date of this unit. Now this is cool. If you select this, the Blazer will start embossing the entire manual for you. If you don't have a Braille copy, this is really useful. Print test. If we select this, the Blazer will emboss a short review of the Blazer. Patent alignment test. I'll refer to the service manual for more information on this option. Dot 1 test. What this does is, if we select it, it will only test the dot 1 of the Braille cell. Last test. I'm not sure what that is. Backlash adjustment. Heavy embossing adjustment. Light emboss adjustment. And this applies to the paper weight adjustments.
Paper out sensor test.
Paper out sensor test. This is the sensor that feeds the paper out.
Top of form sensor test.
Top of form sensor test. This will test your top of form sensor when the top of form sensor is the sensor that can find the top of form of the paper, meaning the top edge, and we'll show you how to find it in this part of the video in a moment. So this was top of form sensor test. This just tests the top of form sensor.
Platen sensor test.
Platen sensor test. By the way, the platen is what's punching the holes into the paper to make the Braille dots.
Exercise carriage.
And the last option we have is exercise carriage. I'm going to press form feed on this and show you what happens. What's going to happen is the carriage is going to move left to right respectively, and you're going to hear the noise of the carriage moving. Now to stop it, we have to press all three buttons.
Exit.
And now I'm out of menu mode. I'm going to turn off and turn back on the Blazer.
Braille Blazer ready.
Now, when you put paper in the Blazer, it's important that you set the top of form so the Blazer knows where to start printing. What happens when you do this is the paper is going to move back and forth until it finds the top edge.
Okay.
To do this, we press the form feed and online buttons together. The Blazer will say set top of form as it moves the paper back and forth to the top of form sensor. This is what will happen.
Set top of form.
Now, one more thing. If the Blazer is offline, I just press the online button to demonstrate that, it will not be able to receive any data. So let's say if a phone call came in and if I was embossing something, this is useful for me. I could just take the Blazer offline, stops embossing right there. It's kind of like a pause, And if I want to start embossing again, I press this key again, and what happens is the paper moves a little bit back and forth, and the Blazer says online, like this.
Online.
I hope this short review of the Braille Blazer has given you a lot of information. For more information on the Braille Blazer, please refer to its user's manual, or you can call Freedom Scientific. Their number is located on the manual if you need the number. Thank you for watching.